Hi, my name is Andreea and I come from Romania. I am here in CGC Mohali for my volunteering project Skill Up. Here, I worked on a cafe project to help youth build job skills. CGC mentors are guiding me and they made everything feel easy and clear. I love the campus. It's so green, peaceful and full of life. The buildings and the labs are really modern and advanced. Here I met a lot of friends who told me about NASA Vera Foundation, and it truly touched my heart. Here there are so many fun activities like table soccer or pool table. Namaste. Here, I learned the Indian values such as care, respect, and helping each other. This place gave me confidence and a new way of thinking. Thank you, CGC Mohali, for an experience I will never forget.